wait.
Common market. To hidden waterfall. I'm gonna show you. It's near Doista Tep. We've never seen this before, but someone, a local, told us about it. So we're gonna check it out, and we're gonna take you with me or us, and hope you enjoyed the video. Hey guys, so guys, to get to the waterfalls, once you start climbing up Toi, you just climb for like, I don't know, 500 meters, and when you see this temple here, you turn left. Guys, you don't want to be here with all the people. You want to go to a hidden spot, and to go there you need to cross the river and go up the trail there.